Now, this part. So, we've got quite a bit of wiring here. And that box. These wires go to the radio. Okay, so looks like I'm gonna need this box big enough here to hold all the wires and connections without it being too jammed up. There. That looks about the right size. Now, to make this easy, I'm going to remove this box. So I got space here. See, I'm going to cut this out and have this material left over to make the lid. So I should straighten up these edges. Okay, easier. Now, that new X-Acto knife, I'm going to have to cut really deep, I think. Let's see. You guys see what I'm doing there? Okay, so, I'm going to mark this a little better. I can't see this really good. I'm going to mark these corners. There we go. So you can see where I'm cutting. I'm going to go right down to the base of okay, I'm going down, completely down to the base of the knife. Okay, completely to the base of this blade. Okay, start here again. See, whoa, see that was a little tougher there. It goes right through. Okay, and the last cut. There. Okay, so now somehow I've got to get that off. Let me think of, well, you may think this is crazy. I think the only way we're going to do this is if I cut right through the whole wing. going to cut through the whole wing. Cut this piece out. Take it out. Cut it. Fit this in there. We're just going to go down there, and then I can glue the bottom in, and glue the top in. That smaller one here is quite new. Okay. Okay. Well, I know I cut pretty deep already. I probably won't have to do much to go all the way through. Okay, a little bit. There we are. We're all the way through now. That's a long ways through, eh? It is. Okay. Now, let's just make sure it goes that way all the way. Okay. Now, I'll come over here and come there. It's a little difficult there. Now go back. Make sure we cut all the way through. This stuff glues good, so I know that it should glue good. Now one more cut here. Oh, okay, so I've been maybe eating the exaction knife a little too hard here. I snap the end off. Okay. But there we go. I can't seem to get through that last little bit of that. It's one side. Okay. Now, I have to get underneath it here. Cut through there. Okay. Okay, block is tight. Okay, I don't think it's getting stuck at the bottom. Okay, bring that feedback. Let it come out. Just about. Darn. Okay, so now I get this piece out. See, that will fit inside there. Okay. So I want a top here. So I'm going to cut off a top. I'm going to move the camera here so you guys see what I'm doing over here.